Invite friends to the Facebook page. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. I'll demonstrate the process on my laptop. Like these kinds of videos on the channel. Seen other related videos? Subscribe, like I'm always making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm already logged in. Click on the See More option on the side. Scroll down and you'll see Pages. Click on the Pages option. Here, choose the page you want friends to like. I'll pick my Facebook page, Paiva's World Tutorials. I've clicked the page. It has 558 likes and 572 followers. How do I do it, Leo? Click the three dots and select Invite Friends. So here you'll see all your uninvited friends. I have 1721 uninvited people here who are my friends. I'll select at least 1,000 up here. So here's the maximum, 1,000. Later I'll select the other 721 people. I've now tagged 1,000 people to like my page. Just click Send Invites down below, folks. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.